In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer conditional free shipping on Shopify. This can be a fantastic way to incentivize larger purchases or just provide a special perk for your customers. So, let's dive right in and make sure you're set up to give your customers the best shopping experience possible. First things first, we'll need to access the settings in your Shopify dashboard. To do this, head to the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open up a menu with a variety of options that allow you to customize your store's operations. You'll find everything you need to manage your store efficiently here. Once you're in Settings, the next step is selecting Shipping and Delivery. This is where you'll set all of your shipping policies, rates, and conditions. It's an essential part of ensuring that your logistic processes are as smooth as possible. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new section dedicated to all things shipping related. Next, locate and click on the General Shipping Rates. Here, you can view any existing rates you've set up and modify them as needed or add new ones. This is an integral part of establishing how and when different shipping options are available to your customers. To add a new rate, you'll need to click on the Add Rate button. This allows you to define new shipping conditions that will appear at checkout for your customers. When setting this up, you have the flexibility to specifically tailor these rates to enhance your marketing strategies or match your operational capacities. Now comes the important part: setting up your conditional free shipping. Start by naming the rate, something like free shipping over $50 or whatever condition you're planning on applying. Set the price of this new rate as free. The idea here is to signal to your customers that this is a complimentary shipping option under certain conditions. Next, select Add Conditional Pricing. This option is crucial because it's where you define under what circumstances shipping will be free. For this setup, you'll choose Based on Order Price. This means that the free shipping offer will only apply if the customer's order meets a specific price threshold. Enter the minimum price for this condition, the exact amount you want your customers to spend in order to qualify for free shipping. This is where you strategically decide the minimum order value, ideally optimizing it to boost sales while still making economical sense for your business. Once you've set everything up, just click Done. Make sure to save your changes before exiting so all your hard work doesn't go to waste. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully set up a conditional free shipping rate on Shopify. With this valuable feature, you're not only offering a great deal to your customers, but also encouraging them to spend a little more to receive this benefit. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling!